everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Amelia and I make videos on African and continental dishes. If you're on my channel for the very first time, I'd like to especially welcome you, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also remember to put on the notification bell so you can always receive any updates whenever I upload a video. So today I'm going to be sharing one of my recipes on how I make okra soup. There are different methods, different ways of making okra soup. Today I thought to share one recipe of mine, and I hope you're going to enjoy watching this video. As always, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, liking this video, and share with your family and friends. Let's sit back and I hope you're going to enjoy this video. Thank you. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using to make my okra soup today. Here I have my already chopped okra, fresh okra. This is how I like to cut my okra, but I've separated some. I have this one I've not cut. I'm going to blend this one. The reason is that so that the okra is really going to draw very well. So you can just leave a little bit of okra which you will blend in the blender, and then I've chopped the other ones. Here I've got my beef. It's been washed nice and clean. Here is my croaker fish. Okay, so this croaker fish, I'm going to fry it before I use it. I always like my croaker fish fried. And then this is my smoked fish, which I'm going to wash with hot water and salt to remove any sand and dirt. Here, these are my shrimps. And then I've got here my local locust bean or iru. This one is blended ready. And then I've got my shaky or tribe. And then my spices here, I'm going to be using I've got my scotch bonnet. I'll use 2, so I'm just going to chop them into bits. I've got my onions. This is my bell pepper. I'm not going to use all of them, I'm just going to use half, this just to give it a nice color. And then here I've got my crayfish. I've got 2 tablespoons of crayfish. Here, these are my I've got seasoning cubes, palm oil, salt to taste. This is my stock flavor cubes, my stock flavor powder, and then this is thyme and ginger, which I'll be used to boil my meat. Okay, so I'm going to start first now by boiling the meat quickly. Liters of water to my pot, and then in goes my beef. Shaky. Okay. Adding my stock cubes. A bit of salt, about 1 tablespoon of salt. This is ginger, and this is thyme. So this is just to boil my meat. And I'll leave this to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. The meat is cooking. I'm just going to gently blend this other okra. Okay, so I'll just put the okra and then put a little bit of water, just a little bit. Okay. Add our shrimps nicely, and then in goes the already washed smoked fish. Stir that. Okay. Then so I'm going to put the locust bean, iru. Okay. Then these are my seasoning cubes. I'm going to add my crayfish, and then a little bit of my stock powder. Stir really nicely. then in goes my habanero pepper and onions and my bell pepper. They've all been chopped nicely. My salt. In goes my already fried croaker fish. Okay, I'm going to stir really nicely. And then into the pot, we're going to add our already chopped okra. Okay. This is the chopped one. And then we're also going to add the one that we blended. So this one will make the okra soup to really draw very well. Okay. Stir really nicely. The aroma coming out from my kitchen at this moment is amazing. You just cannot imagine. Okay, stir really nicely. Some people do not bother putting oil in their okra soup, so some people just stop at this point, but I love palm oil in my okra soup. So I'm just going to let the okra cook just a little bit, then I'm going to add the spinach and the palm oil, and that will be pretty much. So I'll just leave it to cook for like 5 more minutes before I add the spinach and palm oil. Okay, so you want to add your spinach. Okay, spinach to it. Wow, this is gorgeously. Spinach is optional. Some people don't add spinach as well, but I love to add spinach into my okra soup. Okay, and at this point I'm going to add in my palm oil. Okay, now stir really nicely again. Oh, this is gorgeous, amazing. I'm going to leave it to cook for a few more minutes. The tip about okra is that when there's less foam on it, when it's no longer foamy, then you know that your okra is cooked. So I'm just going to leave it a few more minutes. Okay, that will be it. So okra soup is ready. Beautiful, lovely. So you can have your okra soup with eba, fufu, pounded yam, any swallow of your choice. Okay, I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so, please. And don't forget to share this video with your family and friends, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up by liking this video. Thank you very much. Until I see you next time, please do stay well and stay out of trouble. Thank you.